Hi everyone. So today I have come to Blue Hyundai Mysore Road for giving our car to servicing. So ours is Alcazar diesel manual. So we have completed around 750 kilometer only, and since we just completed 2 months, so we have given for the servicing physical copy of the repair order. So it also contains the same information. So like my name, vehicle information, service information, and they also included description like it will be done in the dry wash. They'll carry out the first service, general checkup. So so here they have given estimated amount as 40 rupees. So here we can see the service area. So once the car washing is done, they will come here for the servicing. So as soon our car reaches here, I'll go there and check with the service engineer. So we are with the service engineer and Afroz Pasha. So he will be giving us more information about like what are the things will be done in the first service. I'll just hand over to him.
Yeah, very good morning. Myself, Afroz Pasha. As sir told, the first service, like we have scheduled like all the parameters from the Hyundai. There is a one checklist we called as a parameter checklist. There we're going to check all the general checkup, like your lights, your interior things, your oil levels, oil leakages, and the tops of the all nut and bolts. And also we're going to check with the scanner all the malfunction indication lights and all those. And also we check all tire condition, tire pressure, and also we have a road test on that. So as per standard, there is a 54 points are there in the first service. Apart that, we inspect any customer concern also. If we had any issues, we're going to recheck that also. And also we certified with the road tester with our internal Hyundai technical advisor. If it is okay, then we'll leave for the vehicle for final inspection. So one final inspection has passed to the vehicle, then vehicle delivered for ready for the delivery. So these are the parameters going to conduct on first service.
Sir, usually how much time it will take for the servicing, sir? When the service engineer starts, how much time it will take for them to inspect all these things?
Sir, very nice question, sir. Thank you very much for your query about this. Sir, Hyundai says like, any full service, we have scheduled like 90 minute service, which is called as a quick service. So here we'll start the vehicle initially from receiving to customer to up to delivery. Within 90 minutes, we're going to deliver the vehicle, sir. So if it is any concern, additional concern customer facing with new technical things or new updates on this thing, so maybe it will take another 15-20 minutes extendable, which is going to take approval with the customer and we're going to deliver the vehicle.
Okay. So as first service is free for us, so will there be any charges in some cases, sir?
Sir, no, absolutely there is no charges in the first service, except the additional approval, like there are some we called additional VASs, value-added service. Like initially customer has received the vehicle from a showroom, but he is not able to do it on anti-rust coating. There is one advisor we're going to be update you on so many parameters are there which is good for a vehicle. So there we're going to update like anti-rust coating, anti-rust treatment, and also there is one treatment called the paint protection treatment. That is also going to be update you. So on your approval, we're going to be take approvals and going to do it on the chargeable basis. In the service only, except there is 100 rupees we charge for consumables, which is going to add one solution for the wiper tank, which is going to protect your glass scratches and also avoid the deformation of rubbers, wiper rubbers. Apart that, there is absolutely free services. In second piece service, there is obviously labor, everything is free. You need to be give a consumable charge, which is on the customer.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So this is the under chassis, and in this process they are going to tighten all the screws and nuts. So they'll make sure everything is inspected and they're in good condition. They'll inspect all the tires and they'll check for any leakages and any defects, everything. So they are going to check in the under chassis, and they'll also check inside first, and after that they will check in the under chassis, and then they will go to the engine part. So here you can see little scratch maybe somewhere it's touched. So drive slowly, drive carefully and avoid any scratches. So be careful. So now they're going to work on the engine part. So now they are checking and inspecting all the engine screws, nut, bolts, everything. They'll inspect each area, and you can see here they clean the air filter. So once the cleaning is done, they'll put it back inside. So this is the water and detergent for the wiper cleaning, and topping up the coolant, and so they will also top up the engine oil. So in this process only the top up will be done, and now they are checking the engine oil level. They will also check how is the quality. If it is too dirty, then also suggest to replace it. Now they will top up the engine oil. Okay, it's done. So they have done so many inspection. I may not covered everything. So I have covered the major things which I could cover it. So overall they covered almost all the parts now. So they are putting grease. So you can see here they are putting grease to all the closing places. So here also they are putting grease here. Yeah, so they are applying grease here. So they applied the grease almost for all the area wherever we close it and open. I think they have completed all the process here. So they are finishing off to close the bonnet. Okay.
Hi everyone. So we just completed almost all the servicing of our car. So as soon I come, I have met Zamir. So he is the, in charge of all the servicing. So with Zamir sir, I am following up almost since 3 years with my previous vehicle. So he is having very knowledgeable about all the servicing, and he will guide you thoroughly with what servicing needs to be done, and everything he will guide you through. So if you are in Bangalore and you can drop your vehicle for servicing in Bangalore, Blue Hyundai, Mysore Road, he will guide you with all the end-to-end information, and he will help you out with all the servicing details. So he is Zamir.
Hello everyone. So myself Zamir. So I am working here in Mysore Road Blue Hyundai showroom. From past 3 years I am attending sales vehicle. Previously he was owning a i20 vehicle. Now he is having an Alcazar, a diesel vehicle. He has a good experience as of now, and I request if any concerns regarding any vehicle, you can visit our showroom anytime. That is located on the Mysore Road service station near RV College. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Just returned back from this